What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. We got the wrap in the back. You guys already know once we at the gas station early morning like this, we can only be heading one of a few places, man. We on our way to LA right now. It's time to finish it up, pick up the blue bike. Hopefully we might be able to ride it a little bit. We'll have to stay tuned for that. We've been filled up already, man. Let's hop on this road and get to the city, man. And if you guys haven't already, man, don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe, man. I am on my way out here, dog. Let's go. Just made it back to LA, man. Oh, we are finally back to the shop, man. It is game time. I done took all the parts out the truck and everything, man. We got boxes of stuff, a bunch of little stuff, man. So look, let's check it out. Man, we got a bunch of stuff. We got little blinker lights, little turn signals for the front, those blacked out turn signals that I told you I ordered. This is that little trim right there that goes around the fairing. We got our all black LED back bracket right there. We got our little LED headlight slash daymaker type stuff. So time to get the little stuff good to go. I actually did find these little speaker inserts, so we'll probably swap those out really quick. But other than that, man, let's get it going real quick and try to get a first startup on this thing today or something, man. I'm anxious and freaking ready to roll, man. So let's see what we can get done, dog.
Bye.
All right, man. So we was trying to figure some stuff out. When we first turned on the bike, we wasn't getting none of the gauges to light up, man. We was just sitting here figuring it out for the longest, but not we, but he. And literally, when we turned this thing on now, you said you did what now, man? You unplugged a couple of wires, or?
Right, so the battery fuse popped, so we put the spare one up in there and
right.
It popped. So before I put another one in there, I just touched it. So we unplugged the hand controls right here. We unplugged these.
Right.
Now that that is unplugged, I put the fuse in there without popping. Now we got all the gauges.
Now our gauges and everything light up. That's crazy.
Yeah, so that's perfect.
Wow, so we lit now.
So all we gotta do is just go over these hand controls right here. We'll be in the game.
Well, that's that, man. We did also get our little speaker covers back in, so this thing is literally coming together faster than we thought, man. Let's get this thing tidied up, though, man. Sheesh. Oh, my goodness, man. We got the whole front end literally tidied up, man, for the final time. We got the outer fairing on. Them lights on, everything HID. We got the turn signals on. Everything is literally legit, ready to go. Got our dash and everything working, so that is a plus. Man, it is down to the freaking wire, man. I don't even know if I'm ready for this right here. I just know that thing look hard. Just wait till we get outside in the sun. But oh my goodness, we literally got everything that I was really wanting to get done. So everything else is literally a given. But y'all see what's going on, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below, big dog. My boy over here going hard, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to my dog channel. And we're gonna keep going up, man. All right, so now that we got the outer fairing on, the light and bezel and everything on up here, we can tackle this wraparound, because after that goes on there is literally nothing else up here that we have to touch. So the front end's gonna be done. We can throw that gas tank back on there really quick. We probably gonna mount that black bracket up here shortly, and do a couple other little things, but literally down to the last couple screws, man. I'm excited, dog. I can't wait. So stay with your boy and let's get it in. And alrighty, guys, we got this thing looking that much more complete now. The wraparound is still waiting to get put on, but we got a whole lot situated. We got the bag on there just to give it that look, man, just to get a good snippet of how it's gonna be, man. It's time to load this thing up because we don't want to be out here too late. So we're gonna load it up and finish most of it at the crib, but literally it's already done. Just gotta throw the other bag on there, and then we pretty much good to go, man. But I can't wait. So let's get this thing all loaded up and going from there, dog. And just like that, got Bay on the back. Now it's time to strap her down. Ooh, I have not seen her in the sun. Let's get her strapped up first. Man, we got that thing loaded up. It's looking real good back there under this California sun, man. Ooh, I cannot wait to really ride this thing, man. We got to go take this thing back home, get all the fluids and stuff changed, man. I told bro, man, go ahead and kick back, man. You done did a whole lot. Let me just go ahead and finish it off, real easy. And so, man, we cruising through the city on our way back to the crib, man. So let's go ahead and get there, man. Let's go ahead and enjoy LA for a little bit, though. Ooh, we got this thing all strapped up, loaded up, everything. That blue is actually hidden under the light, man. Godly. Jeez. I can't wait to have this thing fully complete tomorrow. Have everything on here, the little side covers. I didn't want them to blow off in the wind, literally. So that's why I took them off. But, yeah, man. Gonna be good to go. We sliding and gliding real soon, man. Just gotta gas up real quick, hop back on the road. But yeah, this is it. What y'all think, man? I think the blue look good. Look at it under the lights. Hey, appreciate it, man. Thanks. Good looking. I'm digging it though. Sheesh. Now that we are back local, man, today is my daughter's birthday, so gotta get her some little balloons so when she wakes up, she goes crazy. So this should be pretty fun. I'm gonna get her some little flowers and stuff, give her some roses, get her some balloons and stuff. She already got a bunch of stuff for Christmas, but we'll have fun today still though, so we'll see what's up. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Go open your door. Go to your room. Go to your room. Open your door. Open it.
Open the door.
Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it, Goyo. Whoa.
Wow.
Whoa, Goyo. Whoa. Happy birthday. Whoa. Look at all your balloons, Goyo. See balloons? Whoa. Let's go play. Let's go play. Look at your balloon, Goyo. Whoa. Alrighty, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. I just finally pulled up to BBV. Got the blue thing out and about. Y'all know we about to offload this thing, get it in here, get the little stuff tackled, and hopefully we can get it back today, man. So let's get it. So we got the bike offloaded here in BBV. Let's see what we got going. Yes, sir. Got this thing in BBV. Ready to get it going. Can't wait. Sheesh. But yeah, let's see what we got to get done. It definitely looked different under the light. I haven't even seen it like this before yet. Alrighty, man, we got that bike dropped off. Whew, next time I see it, it will look freaking complete. It'll be done and it will be rideable. Once we come back, we'll throw the bags on and go for a first ride, man. So with that being said, it'll probably be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Today is my daughter's birthday, man. So I'm glad I can get this bike up and out the way. We should have it back either later on today or first thing tomorrow. But Sunday, we will be sliding and gliding in the city of dreams, man. So with that being said, man, make sure you guys tune into that. And I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace out, dog.